Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a complex medical term, electroencephalography. Let's learn how to say it correctly and what it means. This word is often mispronounced as electroencephalography or electroencephalology. It can sound overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it into simple parts. The correct pronunciation is electroencephalography. Start with electro, just like electric but shorter. Next, enceph. Think N, then ceph, and a soft Finally, lography. Emphasize log and end softly with ruphy. Altogether, it's electroencephalography. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Electroencephalography. Once again, slowly. Electroencephalography. Now faster. Electroencephalography. Well done. Electroencephalography, or EEG, is a technique used to record electrical activity in the brain. It's often used to diagnose conditions like epilepsy, sleep disorders, and brain injuries. It's a long word, but it represents an essential tool in medical science. Great job. Now you know how to pronounce electroencephalography and understand its meaning. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might struggle with medical terms. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation tips and fascinating facts. Let me know in the comments which word you'd like to learn next. See you soon.